Well, welcome to the behind the scenes of what happens during a full system change out. You know, the first thing we have to do on a full system change out is we have to disconnect the old system. Here we've got Greg disconnecting the electrical components, and he's got his recovery unit set up to pull out all the old refrigerant. Once those connections are disconnected, we're able to pull the old unit out and we'll have it recycled. It'll look great. And we're able to put a new pad down, bring the new system in. This system is going to get installed on rubber isolation mounts. We move on after electrical to the refrigerant piping. That refrigerant piping gets covered up with UV protective materials. We've got the disconnect with surge protector that gets waterproofed, and that system gets dialed in just perfectly. After that, we've got some ductwork that needs to come out of the attic. Especially on this project, the plenum and some of the other connecting pieces had a lot of air gaps, and we had a lot of dirty air coming into the system, as well as a lot of airflow just leaking out. So the team works really hard to pull out all the ductwork, to bag it up and pass it down effectively. And you know, we'll haul all that away and dispose of it properly. Next, we're moving into the interior space in the closet where we capped the gas line and hauled away the old furnace. Now we're putting in a heat pump fan coil, as it's called, and Johnny's making the piping connections, refrigerant piping connections, and also hooking up the high and low voltage electrical to this system. A lot of the cabling gets cleaned up and moved out of the way nicely after it's done, just like at the outdoor unit. We also use the plenum, that's the piece on top. We use the old stuff and we cap it and we fix it all up so that it can be nicely insulated and sealed and cleaned up to meet the needs of your home. We don't want any airflow leaks, and we want everything to be as clean and tidy as possible. I hope you enjoyed this brief window into our world as we change out your heating and air system and take care of your home to the best of our abilities.